Features 3 tiers of storage with 1 organizer insert. Box features handle on lid for easy transport. Measures 10 and 5/8 x 7 and 1/4 x 7 and 5/8. Sterilite 14,138,606 10 5/8 x 7 1/4 x 7 3/4 clear 3-layer stack and carry box with divider tray. Top reviews from the United States. I love this product. I already owned a kit before ordering this one, to store all the different kinds of coloring markers my kids and I use for mandalas and other similar things to color. I needed some more boxes since we are trying to find which brand is the best, and with the back-to-school deals, we've got some new ones, but the stores nearby the house didn't have this size in stock anymore. The clips on this new one are a different shade of blue than my other one, but it clips well with it anyway. In fact, I'm able to clip all 6 boxes with the same lid, and there is no way problems or else. And the amovible tray is so useful, in my bathroom and kitchen to store different tiny objects, that it was a bonus for me to get them as well.